afternoon, friends. It's your pal Adam with Somerset County Recreation, Parks, and Tourism. It's another edition of Somerset Scoop. We have so much going on this weekend. Let's get right to it. We are going to start tomorrow, Thursday, September the 30th, with an open house at the Rodeway Inn. Now, that was formerly the Somerset Scoop Motel in Crisfield. They are now a Rodeway Inn, a member of the Choice Hotel chain, and they're having an open house tomorrow. They'd love for you to stop on by and check out the hotel, check out the lobby. They're going to have food and beverages, and everyone is welcome. If you need more information, check it out on our Facebook page. We're going to go right to Friday because we're going to start the weekend off hot in Somerset County with a pork barbecue dinner from Blowin Smoke. That's right, this Friday, 5 to 6:30 p.m. Now, the event is going to be at the St. Parish Hall in Princess Anne. It's a fundraiser for the Somerset County Historical Society. Now, tickets are still available. They're $12 per platter. You'll love the food, and it's for a great cause, too. Also, Friday night, a family movie night in Princess Anne. It's going to be on the corner of Prince William Street and Somerset Avenue, 5 p.m., free family movie on the Courthouse lawn. It's going to be a good time. They'll have free hot dogs, chips, and drinks, and music with D911. The movie will be Home, and that will start at 6:30 p.m. this Friday night. Also on Friday, this is interesting. I love the name. It's the Monster Meat Raffle. Monster Meat! St. Andrew's Episcopal Church having a Monster Meat Raffle. Now, tickets are available right now. You can see the members of the church. The winner will receive a $300 gift certificate for Hastings Butcher Shop in Laurel. They have some great meats and monster meat, see? So make sure to get your tickets. They're going to give away the Monster Meat Raffle on Friday. Let's go to Saturday, and we're going to head to Crisfield. The Asbury United Methodist Church Women's Fall Festival. It is one not to miss. I stop by every year. They've got a country store, homemade jams and jellies and relishes, all kinds of gifts. It's a great event going on 9 to 1 this Saturday at the Asbury United Methodist Church. Also on Saturday, you can visit Smith Island, one of the last regular season cruises scheduled, okay? October 2nd, 3rd, and then next weekend on the 10th. And then that's it. So if you want to get over to Smith Island, why not do it this weekend, leaving from Crisfield, Maryland. The Ward Brothers Workshop will be open this Saturday from 10:30 a.m. to 2. Ward Brothers Workshop in Crisfield, open for tours. Of course, that's where Lemon Steve Ward created it all. And you can check out their workshop this Saturday in Crisfield. All right, let's go on to page 3 because we are cruising. Saturday, the Crisfield Pride Lodge will have a crab feast from 1 to 4 p.m. All you can eat. It'll be a good time there. Also, how about pumpkin painting on Sunday if you're looking for something to take the kids and do? M&C Vessey Farms having pumpkin painting this Sunday from noon until 3. Let's go back to Saturday. We'll stay in Crisfield for the Yard and yART sale. Now, this is a Crisfield community-wide yard and yART sale. Now, I'm saying Y-A-R-T because it's art, okay? So they're going to have yard sales around the town and also art sales around the town. Some of the locations will be WBYC 107.3 FM, which is right off the highway. Different locations where they're going to have a community-wide yard sale. And then after you do some shopping, how about helping Crisfield clean up? Community Cleanup Day this Saturday, noon to 3. They are going to have dumpsters located all around town, and they're asking everyone to meet at Big Willie's, which is right there on 7th Street, around noon to get organized. So there is so much to do, and one more to let you know about. Next Tuesday, we want everyone to come out to Caesar's Pizza Palace in Princess Anne and have dinner. Okay, 4 to 8 p.m., the Washington High School SAD chapter, raising funds in support of the family of Meredith Taylor, who's currently battling COVID-19 at the hospital in Baltimore. So we definitely want to support Meredith. Community strong is what Somerset County is all about. So next Tuesday, plan to have dinner at Caesar's right there in Princess Anne, 4 to 8 p.m. They're going to give a portion of all of the sales taken in during that 4-hour period and give to the Taylor family. So it is a great weekend. It's going to be beautiful weather. Come on down to Somerset County wherever you are and take part in some of the great events that are happening. And just come on down and unwind. For all the information, you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and follow our website at visitsomerset.com. We hope to see you this weekend in Somerset County. Bye.